So in this question we're asked, what is the length x in this triangle? As you can see, x is going to be the smallest side here on the left hand side. And we also have 2x on the bottom, and our hypotenuse we can see is 45. And we know that it's the hypotenuse because our right angle is going to be opposite the hypotenuse, which is going to be the one here just on the bottom left. So we can look across from that to see where our hypotenuse is. And so now we can set up our equation here. So basically we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem. So we're going to have the two smallest sides squared and added together, which in this case is going to be x squared, and then 2x all to be squared. And just make sure you actually have your 2 inside the bracket as well, because you don't want to end up with 2x squared, which would essentially get you the wrong equation here. So you want to square the 2 as well in a second. And then on the right hand side we're going to have 45 to be squared. So that's going to be our hypotenuse. And so this is going to simplify to x squared plus 2x all to be squared, which is going to be 4x squared. So again, remember to square your 2. And then on the right hand side we're going to have 45 to be squared, and that is going to give us 2025. So actually the same year I'm making this video, ironically enough. That wasn't actually part of the plan, but that's a nice answer for 45 to be squared there. And so then on the left hand side we can simplify down to 5x squared. So we have 5x squared is equal to 2025. And then if we find the square root of 405, we get an answer of 20.125. So that is going to be our final answer for x, and so that is going to be it for this question.